friends, I'm gonna teaching you to play main theme of Interstellar. Are you ready to see and hear what we're gonna learn today? Let's go. Okay guys, let's start learning to play this. The first thing you want to do is take your right hand and put it on your piano or your keyboard with your thumb on A. And then your next four fingers will go on the next four white keys. So your right hand is going to be on A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, let's look at the music here. You'll see the first measure. As you see, there is a number above a note. This is the finger number. A finger number is a number which is above or below a note. It means that you have to put finger 1 on A. The thumb is finger 1, index finger is 2, middle finger is 3, ring finger is 4, and the pinky is 5. Okay, we have A, E in this measure. The next measure is exactly the same. A, E. Next one, B, E, B, E, C, E, C, E, D, E, D, E, B. Okay, look at the time signature. We are in 3/4 times, so it means that we're gonna have 3 beats in each measure. And if I want to play with counting, it would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's play with your left hand. Put your finger 3 or the middle finger on A, B, B, C, C, B, B. Now it's time to play together at the same time with both hands. Prepare your both hands. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's go to the next part. In this part, we have double notes. It means that you have to play 2 notes together at the same time. Put your thumb on E and finger 2 on A and play together. E and A, and then E and another A, E. This is an octave. Stretch your fingers and play E and E together. And again, E and A. Go to the next measure. Exactly the same. Next one. B, E, B. E is repeated again. C, E, C. Okay, and left hand. This is an F major chord. You have to put finger 5 or your pinky on F, and then finger 3 is gonna be on A and 1 on C. Play them together. F, A, C, F major again. Okay, go down. E, G, B. This is E minor chord. and EAC. This is a second inversion of A minor. EAC. Okay, EGB. I'm gonna play together very slowly. 1, 2, 3. If it was a little bit tricky, go back and practice it a few more times until you get comfortable with it. But if you're ready, let's move on to the next part. Right hand. Put finger 1 on A and pinky on the next A. Go up. Come down again. The melody is same. Look at the left hand. Put your finger 5 on F, the middle finger on C, 2 on E, and 1 on A. Go down. Ascending, descending. Repeat it again. These are 16th. Put your pinky on G, D, E, B, E, D, G, D, E, B, E, D, G, D, E, B, E, D, G, D, E, B, E, D. 5 on A, C, E, C, E, C. A, C, E, C, E, C. And again, G, D, E, B, E, D. G, D, E, B, E, D. And it will repeat again. Okay, together with both hands. You can also count it like this. 1, E, and A. 2, E, and A. 3, E, and A. You can count it like this, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Both of them are correct. Okay, let's go to the next measure. Change your left hand. Oh, that's my fault. Let's go to the next part. This is A and and A together. This is an octave again. A, E, A, E. The melody is same, so I skip this part. Look at the next part. I mean measure 33, or the second page, last line, second measure. Put finger 2 on A and then press E with your thumb. A, E. A, E, A, E, A, E, A, E, A, E, A, E. And the next one, B, E, 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 B, E. And pay more attention to my fingering or finger number. Now it's time to play together. This part is repeated again, so I skip this one and move on to the next session. Look at the last two measures. Look at the next to the last measure. This is E and E together. E, 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 E. And for the left hand, together. Perfectly. You can also download this music sheet from my website en.pianodiba.com.